Hello there, this is KR Bhardwaj. I always welcome you to my YouTube channel, Font of English Education. Guys, one of my viewers asked me about what is the difference between much and many. If you have doubt, today I will make all your doubts clear. Much and many. Meaning is a lot of. Both have same meaning. A lot of. A lot of, and we can say lots of. Lots of. Lot of and lots of. Guys, point to be noted here. We can't say a lots of. Okay, if you say a lots of, it will be incorrect. We have to say a lot of, and or lots of. Lot of is used formally and lots of is used informally. Guys, point to be noted. Much and many both are adjectives. Much and many both are adjectives. Guys, point to be noted. Adjective. Adjective. When we talk about much can be treated, much can be used as an adverb. It is also an adverb. When we talk about many is used as an as well. Many is used as a pronoun. I'm so sorry, as a pronoun as well. Much is used both as an adjective and as an adverb. Many is used as an adjective and as a pronoun. We will learn about that with the help of examples. Guys, point to be noted. Much is, with much we use uncountable noun. Point to be noted. Much is used for uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. As you know, uncountable noun takes singular verb. So much follows singular verb. It takes singular verb. Singular verb. When we talk about many is used for plural countable noun. Plural countable noun. Countable noun. It takes plural verb. Plural verb. Guys, point to be noted. Many is also written for singular countable noun and it takes singular verb as well. In 99% cases, many is used for plural countable noun and it takes plural verbs. In 99% cases, 1% cases, it takes singular. Okay, it is used for singular countable noun and it takes plural singular verb as well. Only 1% cases according to the nature of the sentence. Guys, here we can't use singular verb. We can't use plural verb for countable noun. Guys, point to be noted. Plural verb. Plural verb. We can't use plural verb with much. Okay, it always takes singular verb and we can't use plural noun. Verb and noun. Guys, point to be noted. So let me write over here plural verb and noun. We can't use. Guys, point to be noted. We can't use with much plural verb and plural noun. When we talk about many 99% cases we use plural countable noun for many and it takes plural verb. When we talk about 1% cases, it takes singular countable noun and singular verb. For example, they don't have much money. Much money. Money is an uncountable noun. Much here, much has been used here as an adjective. So much has been used for money. They don't have many rupees. Guys, point to be noted. Many is an adjective over here. Rupees is a countable noun. So much, many has been used over here for a countable noun. Do you have much homework? Homework, uncountable noun. Much has been used for uncountable noun. I don't have many apples. I don't have many pens. I don't have many cars. I don't have many sisters, brothers. You can say anything. Apple is a countable noun. Many has been written over here for a countable noun. How much sugar do you have? Guys, point to me. There is a structure in English. How much? How much sugar do you need? How much sugar do you need? So much sugar, guys. After much, we have used over here singular. Okay, uncountable noun. I'm so sorry, uncountable noun. How much sugar do you have? How much water do you drink? How much water? We can't say how many water. It will be incorrect sentence. We can't use how many sugar. It will be incorrect sentence. How much milk do you drink in a day? So similarly, how many, after many, we use countable noun, plural countable noun. How many eggs do you eat a day? How many eggs do you eat? So after how many, many, after many follows plural noun and it takes plural verb. How many students were there? Not how much student. It will be incorrect sentence. If you say how many students were there, will be correct answer. If you say how much students, students is a countable noun. We can't write countable noun with how many students were there. How many people are there? People is a countable noun and we can count. So that's why we use many for countable noun. She talks too much. Guys, point to be noted here. Much, too much. Much has been used over here as an adverb. Here, much is an adverb. Okay, this is an adverb. Much has been used over here as an adverb. She talks too much. And there were not many people. There were not many people. People, as I mentioned before, it's a countable noun. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Much here also as an adverb. It's also used over here as an adverb. Okay, it has been also used. Much has been also used over here as an adverb. Many are called. Many, guys, point to be noted. Many is not an adjective over here. It has been used as a pronoun over here. It's a pronoun. I'm so sorry, I'm writing roughly. Many are called. Many were invited. Pronoun, not adjective. Pronoun, not adjective. Many were gathered. Many were called. Many were invited. So in this case, many is a pronoun. The new car is much better on gas mileage. Gas means petrol. The new car is much better. Much has been used over here as an adverb, not as an adjective. Let me write as an adverb. So I repeat, much can be used as an adjective and as an adverb. Much always follows uncountable noun and it takes singular verb. With much, we can't use plural verb and plural noun. Guys, point to be noted. When we talk about many, many can be used as an adjective and as a pronoun. Many always follows plural countable noun. In 99% cases, it follow plural countable noun and it takes plural verb. In 1% cases, it takes singular, plural, singular countable noun, and it takes singular verb as well. Only according to the nature of the sentence. When we talk about the many cannot, guys, point to me, with many we can't use uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Guys, point to be noted. We can't use, we don't use. If you write, okay, I have many water, it will be incorrect sentence. I have to write, I have much water. We can't say I have many water. I hope you have found this session helpful. If you have found this session helpful, please don't forget like, subscribe and share. I will see you soon in the next session, next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have fun.